How I organise my media in Premiere Pro. So here we have our media pool. I'm just going to make it bigger, and if we press Ctrl and B, it will make a bin. Now I'm going to name that bin footage. If we press on a clip, hold shift and then press on the other one, it will kind of hold on to all of them, and then you can move them in together like that. You could do it with like multiple ones at once, but it just saves you a lot of time. Then I'm going to make 3 more bins, one called A, one called B, and then one called AC. So we'll just say that one is an A clip. I just picked random video clips, to be honest, for this. One's B clip. So A clips would be like the footage that I'm using now when I'm recording. So while I'm recording this, when I'm editing this, it would be in the A one. B would be like the stock footage, maybe backgrounds, that kind of thing, like video background. And then AC is adjustment clips. So if I make adjustment clips, I have them all just in one folder bit here, because I use them for like transitions, just effects, just that kind of thing really. So that is footage. So next we'll do audio, and then just add all your like music or sound effects in there. Now you could just leave it like that, but if you have loads, you can organise it as, I just put M for music, so I just kind of do them all in letters just because it saves a bit of time. And then SE for sound effects. And then you can always do like sub once in there, like whoosh or whip and just that kind of thing if you want to. Then last I have photos, and then I'll put in my photos. If I do have any more, then I may organise one as like characters or backgrounds or images, that kind of thing. Watch this video next if you want to. Subscribe.